Matthew 5:16. Let your light so shine before men, that they may see your good works, and glorify your Father which is in heaven. Your light isn't meant to be hidden or forced. It shines naturally when you walk faithfully with God. When others see Christ reflected through your actions and words, it draws their heart not to you, but to the Father who changed you. Live in such a way that your life becomes a quiet testimony of His grace and truth, and so people see Christ in you.